Well, wasn't that a fun trip?
Yeah, that was really something.
Oh, come on, Victoria, we didn't run that much.
Yeah, we kinda did.
Oh my gosh, it's Christmas!
Wait, you actually know about Christmas?
Of course I do. Who do you think it was that delivered presents on the very first Christmas Eve?
Well, Santa, obviously.
You just think that.
No way.
Yep. Now you're getting it.
So, who do you spend Christmas with? Parents? Friends?
Nah, I have my own posse. What about you? Who do you spend Christmas with?
Oh, no one. It's just me, myself, and I.
Oh, well, we do have a time and space machine. I could just drop you off at your parents' house. By the way, where do your parents live?
Oh, that won't be necessary. My family doesn't really have the Christmas spirit.
Well, then I see the perfect opportunity to teach them.
Oh, no, I'd rather not.
Too late! I've made up my mind. We're going to your parents' house.
No.
Okay, we're here. Now have a great time with your family and don't forget to write me.
No, Doctor, I really do insist.
Oh, come on, Victoria. Where's that Christmas spirit? Have fun and remember, smile.
Doctor! Doctor!
Well, I do believe I have an invitation to a Christmas party in 1963, London. Who the heck are you?
Oh, hello. I'm the Locksmith. Pleasure. Nice to meet you. Here's my business card.
And what exactly is your business?
Oh, Tardis repair and upkeep. Yeah, that's how it is. Before I go any further, I think I need to get the names of the crew members.
Well, there's me, the doctor, and that's about it.
Wait a minute. You can't pilot a Tardis by yourself. That's crazy.
Well, there have been people here to help me here and there, but, yeah, for the most part, it's just been me, the doctor.
Okay. Maybe I should just start inspecting it.
Whoa, what are you doing?
Well, I just noticed that your TARDIS looks a bit, well, dysfunctional.
Dysfunctional? What are you talking about?
Well, for starters, have you seen the outside of your TARDIS? It looks like a blue police box.
It gives it character, and it helps it blend in.
But my TARDIS is disguised as a tree outside.
It's rather dull.
Oh, maybe, but that's... Look, Doctor, was it? Just let me take a look at your console, please.
Fine, be my guest.
Wait, this is your console? What happened to it?
What are you talking about?
It looks like you just took random objects and put them onto your console. I mean, what is this? Is this a typewriter? Why do you have a typewriter?
Hey, that typewriter saved my life more times than you can count. It also allowed me to write Beethoven's Fifth.
Right, I don't know what that is, but you know what? I think I've seen enough.
What is that contraption?
It's just an updater, it's gonna scan your ship, see what needs repairing, improving, that sort of thing. While it's doing that, though, I think I should catalog everything on this real mess of a console.
Hey, I think my TARDIS is fine the way that it is, thank you very much. Go back to your TARDIS and mess with it.
Doctor, I'm just trying to do my job.
Well, I don't recall inviting you in. So with all due respect, get out and take your blasted device with you.
What the? Uh-oh.
Uh-oh? Uh-oh, what do you mean, uh-oh?
Well, according to the updater, your TARDIS is incompatible? What does that even mean? Oh, jeez. Your TARDIS must be older than I thought.
So now what?
Well... Oh, that's not good.
What is it now?
Well, since your TARDIS is incompatible, I still don't know what that means, the updater is going to rearrange the whole thing by using the energy of your TARDIS. Did I forget to mention that this device runs off the energy of a TARDIS?
Yes, you did forget to mention that.
Oh boy. Look, okay, I'll fix this. I'll just use my sonic drill, and I'll be out of your hair.
You do know that that's a sonic screwdriver, right?
What? Really? Oh, well, I mean, whatever works, right?
Having some difficulties?
No, I just, it just needs a special touch is all. Why isn't this working?
Are you sure you can do this?
Look, Doctor, I've been doing this for, has it been 1, 2, 3, 4, Yeah, I've been doing this for about 4 years now.
4 years? You're dealing with a TARDIS and you've only have 4 years of experience? Do you even know where the bathroom is?
Second left down the hall?
Step aside, Junior.
But how'd you do that?
I just reversed the polarity.
Oh, I guess I'll have to remember that one. I just wanted to help. I mean, your TARDIS looks so old and really dysfunctional compared to the others I've seen.
Well, it may look that way, but my old girl has been there for me for over 2,000 years.
Well, you clearly know what you're doing. I'll just get out of your hair and leave you to it. Again, really sorry about what I've done to your TARDIS.
You know, don't worry. You were doing what you thought was best.
Thank you for understanding.
Oh, and by the way, I recommend you stick around here for a while. I hear that the humans have quite the celebration around this time of year.
I'll keep that in mind. Thank you, Doctor.
Well, old girl, I still have a party to attend.